Title: Sir Burps and the Dragon with Gas. Main characters: Sir Burps, real name, Kevin. A clumsy but lovable 10-year-old knight in training cursed with uncontrollable burping. Loud, brave, and totally unaware of how stinky he is. Tooty the Dragon. A cheerful but gassy dragon with serious digestion issues. Speaks in rhyme and breathes burp fire. Princess Fizzabelle. A genius inventor princess who hates formal dresses and builds catapults for fun. She's allergic to burps. Sir Grumblecrust. A cranky old knight who thinks burping is the downfall of civilization. Wears 5 pairs of socks at once. Queen Puddingbottom. The overly dramatic queen of the land, loves long speeches and hates bathroom humor. Full narration. A burpy beginning in the kingdom of flatulentia. Young Kevin dreams of becoming a knight. Like his hero, Sir Grumblecrust. But Kevin has a curse. Every time he gets nervous, he burps, thunderously, and it smells like rotten bananas and pickles. During night training, Kevin accidentally burps so hard he knocks down a tower made of pudding barrels. He's given a nickname by the royal court, Sir Burps, and is officially banned from respectable knighting. Meanwhile, in a nearby cave, Tooty the Dragon is having his own problems. He can't stop farting fire clouds. When Tooty sneezes and accidentally toasts a sheep, the kingdom thinks he's attacking and declares him dangerous. Burp meets Fart Kevin. Sneaks out of night school in shame and stumbles upon Tooty's cave, right after one of Tooty's accidental gas attacks. Instead of fighting, the two bond over their shared gastrointestinal chaos. They form an unlikely friendship and sing a duet, Better Out Than In, a burp-fart harmony masterpiece. Back in the kingdom, Princess Fizzabelle is building a mega deodorizer cannon to cleanse the land of burps and dragon gas. Sir Grumblecrust convinces the queen to send him on a dragon hunt. Tooty and Kevin discover a bigger threat. A real villain named Sir Gasimus, an evil jester banished long ago, has returned and plans to stink bomb the entire kingdom unless he's crowned king. Battle of the Bottom. Burps, Kevin, and Tooty race back to warn the queen, but are captured and tossed into the dungeon of embarrassment. Fizzabelle visits and learns the truth. She secretly loves fart jokes and had been hiding it. She frees them with her whoopee cushion key. They prepare for battle by eating the stinkiest foods from the royal kitchen. Broccoli ice cream, garlic jelly, and bean pies. Epic final battle. Gasimus launches his stink balloons across the sky. Kevin climbs a catapult and burps mid-air to deflect the gas clouds. Tooty uses his fart flight technique to pop the balloons. The final showdown ends when Kevin lets out a burp so big it echoes around the kingdom, knocking Gasimus into a vat of old soup. Everyone cheers. Princess Fizzabelle declares, "Let it be known, sometimes a burp can save the day." A smelly happily ever. After Kevin is officially knighted by Queen Puddingbottom, who plugs her nose the whole time, Tooty becomes the royal warm air balloon and gives kids rides every Thursday. Princess Fizzabelle invents the royal flatulence filter, which sounds fancy but is really just a giant clothespin. Final scene. Kevin and Tooty ride into the sunset, burping and tooting the national anthem. Please subscribe to Check's Comedy.